Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will show you how to change the app icon badge on your Samsung S25 FE or any other latest Samsung One UI 8 device. By default, enable the app icon badges as the number on your device. So whenever you receive the notification and you don't open that, you can find the numbers on that application. Like here in the Play Store, you can see the two number on a device because by default share the number in the app icon page style. So if you want to change the number to the dots, open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app. Here you can search for the app icon pages or scroll down up to the notifications. So tap on the notifications. Now scroll down. At the end you can see the advanced settings. Tap on it. Here you can find the app icon pages. By default, toggle on this option and select the number. So tap on it. Now here you can see the number. Now select the dot option and you can see, now go to the home screen and you can see the dot in the Play Store on your device like this. Here you can see the dot. Now if you want to select the number again, select the number and you can find the number on that. So it's quite easy to change the app icon busy style as a number or dot on a device. If you don't want to use toggle of it and you can't see any number or dot on a specific application and you receive the notification on Samsung S25 FE or any other latest One UI 8 device. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.